I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
CJ265E. Intuitive interface with single coffee shot, double coffee shot, and steam function button. Convenient control knob, simple and quick transition between coffee brewing and steam milk. Precise espresso extraction. Select your brew. Its precise control over water heating temperature and pressure system for a perfectly balanced coffee extraction, giving you the delicious tasty, rich and viscous espresso every time. Microfoam milk texture with the steam one performance. The milk is steamed with pressure that creates thousands of tiny bubbles, enhances flavor and enables creation of latte art.